Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crash Test channel. Today we're comparing the safety performance of the 2025 Mazda CX-80 and the 2024 BMW X5 based on their Euro NCAP crash test results. Both SUVs have impressive safety features, but they cater to different priorities. Let's dive in. The Mazda CX-80 demonstrated an excellent performance in crash tests with a stable passenger compartment in the frontal offset test and good protection for knees and femurs across various occupant sizes and seating positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, chest protection for rear passengers was rated as adequate, while all other body areas were well protected. The CX-80 shined in the side barrier and pole tests, scoring full points with good protection for all critical regions. Features like advanced airbags and systems to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries ensure top-notch safety. Additionally, the CX-80 includes an e-call system and secondary collision prevention features, showing its focus on comprehensive passenger safety. The BMW X5, a luxury SUV, also maintained a stable passenger compartment in the frontal offset test, but faced challenges with the driver's knee airbag, which didn't deploy correctly, resulting in weaker protection ratings for this area. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection was at least adequate across all body regions. The X5 scored maximum points in the side barrier test, but chest protection was rated as marginal in the more severe side pole impact. Advanced systems like autonomous emergency braking performed well, particularly at low speeds, minimizing whiplash risks. Both SUVs cater to different needs. The Mazda CX-80 offers consistent protection across crash scenarios, excelling in side impacts and providing advanced safety features. The BMW X5 impresses with its luxury elements and advanced driver assistance systems, but faces minor setbacks in airbag performance and side pole protection. Both SUVs deliver robust safety, but the choice depends on your priorities: Mazda for balanced safety and value, or BMW for luxury and tech. Which one would you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting comparisons.